Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom, the left side one, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle right on top of the Toyota emblem there. Put one finger right in there and then pull it up. And at the same time lift up the hood. Now that's the secondary latch. See how it works? You put one finger and that's how it unlatches. So lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. To grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then pull it back a little bit to secure it. Let's start with the passenger side. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it, you have to go behind and right over there, that gray bulb holder. That's the one. Just grab it and twist to the left a little bit, just a little bit to loosen it. And it may take a few seconds. It could be a little bit tight, but be patient. It's gonna come loose, and there you go. It's loose now. So just twist to the left a little bit, and then you should be able to get the bulb holder out of the light. There's enough play in the wire for you to just get the bulb holder out completely like this, and then just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is right there on it, 3457A. A is for the amber color. Again, 3457A. Get the new bulb and push it in. When you put the bulb holder back into the light, you have to do some twisting and turning to get it to drop in. See how it just drops in? You have to do some twisting and turning. So do that. Once it sits in like this, then just grab it, twist your right to lock it in place, and you're done. Moving on to the driver's side, exact same process, just as accessible. That's the bulb holder right over there. Just grab the bulb holder and twist it left to loosen it, just like the passenger side, and that's it. Now it's loose. Now you should be able to get the bulb holder out of the light. Same bulb, 3457A. Get the new bulb, replace it, and when you put in the bulb holder back into the light housing, same thing, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in, just like that, and then twist your right to twist, and then twist your right to lock it in place, and that is looking good. Now push on the hood to take some pressure off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place and secure it, and now lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.